order by classes and having classes, right? Yeah. When we can use group by classes? Hmm? When we can use the group by class? Sorry. If you want to get aggregation based upon the specific group, okay, specific field values, okay, then you can use the group by function. Okay, what is having class? Hmm? What is having class? Yeah, if you want to make any filter on aggregated values, then you will go for the having class. Okay, what is order by class? Hmm? What is order by class? Okay, if you want to get the result in either ascending order or descending based upon the field or based upon the expression, then you have to use the order by class. Okay, let me ask one question on each topic. Okay, here I am having employee table. I am sharing my screen. You are able to see my screen, right? Hello. Okay, yeah. Here I am having the data. Okay, I want to make, okay, order by using second character. I want to ignore first character, second character in the ename. Okay, means ILLOC. This one I need to make order in descending order. How I can make? If I want to make the order by name, order by on ename means directly order by descending order, order by ename descending order. If you are using that one means you will get the descending order enames and all. Okay, result also will get make order. Now I am expecting, I just ignore first character. I want to make the order with the second letter of the ename. How I can do? Hmm? Okay, tell me expression. How I can do? Order by string of ename comma 2. Can anybody tell me what it will return in string? Uh, which position? Second position of the ename. Is it correct what he is telling in this one? Here, what is the to value? It is a search string, right? Hello. It will be the search string. This will return number. We cannot pass the number. If you want to pass second occurrence, third occurrence, okay, from that point you can do that one. Okay, but you cannot get the character with the in string, right? What in string will do in this one? Wherever we are having two in the ename, it will identify the that specific position. In ename we don't have two character, right? Two is here, it is considering character. It is not there in the enames. What we have to do? Guess anybody? Substring. Yeah, somebody told substring, whatever. Tell me. Okay. Okay, substring of 2. Okay, what it will take? it will ignore the first character and rest of the string it will take, and it will make the order whatever you want. You can specify that one, you can get the result. Okay, so first it will take the U, next O, next M, L, like that it will get. Okay, means what I am telling here is we can use the expressions in order by class also. Okay, we can use expressions in any place, we can apply any built-in function in any class, that will work. That should be one to one. If you are doing group by, then you can get the aggregated values, but still you can apply the built-in functions on columns in any class. Okay, next I am having employee data. Okay, I need, okay, sum of salary. Okay, sum of salary, who is whose name start with C, and that whose name start with C, and their designation should be manager. How I can write that one? My expression is I need sum of salary whose name is start with what I told C, right? I guess CRS C. Okay, let me use C, and their designation should be manager. How I can do? Select sum. Okay. Hmm. Where 1 equal to 1, and like, hmm, first time is not there. Okay, e name. Okay, yeah, here we need to pass. Okay, okay, and this is job equal to manager, job equal to manager. Okay, now I will get the required output. Okay, next, here I am having the employee details. Okay, now I want to get all managers salary. Okay, means I want a sum of salaries based upon the designation, and their total count should be minimum 3. How I can get? I want designation wise sum of salary, and they should contain minimum 3 in each designation. How I can get? I will write. Yesterday only we discussed it, right? I need sum of salary based on designation wise, and their their count should be minimum 3. Yes, select. Okay, Okay. Okay. Job, comma, sum of salary. Okay. From table. Okay. Group by job having count of star where they are equal to 3. Minimum is we should use the equal to operator. Okay. Now you will get the result. So what I did mistake, count spelling is. Okay. If you want, you can check the count also. Okay. Clear, right? Anybody have any doubts in the group by, having, order by? If you have any doubts, we'll repeat. Otherwise, we'll move to another topic. Okay. All are clear, right? These topics. Group by, having, I should get from everybody. Response. Everybody is understood, right? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now I am having employee data. Okay. Here I don't know. Let's ignore the department number. I don't know the department number. Hard coded. If I require 10th department, I can use the where department number equal to 10. Okay. Actually, I don't know the department number. Hard coded value, whatever values are there in the department number, that at all I don't know. I want uh, wherever king, in which department king is working, in that department how many people are there, all the records I need, how I can get. Okay. If you know the department number, directly department number equal to 10. Okay, you will get all the details since king is working in 10th department. So in 10th department, whatever is there, everything, by simply by applying the where department number equal to 10, so I can get that all employees in the 10th department directly. Okay, just you can ignore. I don't know the department number of for the king. Okay, I want to king in which department he is working. In that department, whoever is working, I need all the detail, all the employee details. How I can get? First of all, how I can get the King's department ID? Are you getting my point? First of all, how I can get the department number for the King? Guys, how I can get the department number for King? I'm asking simple, very simple. I don't know. I don't know. Let's assume manager column is not there here. I am asking directly. Where? What I can get? If already I have written, I am getting all the result, all the records. I need only King is which department? King actually in which department he is working? Hmm. Select in a job department number. Okay. Hmm. In name equal to King. Okay. Here I will get the details of King. Okay. Which department? I need only department number, so it's not required for me. Okay. Okay, so simply I can get the department number for the king is working in 10th department, I mean. So as per our previous requirement, if I am passing this department number to this one, I can get the who is working in king's department, that details I can get, right? Okay, instead of passing 10, I can pass the this query. Okay, okay, here I am getting 10th, here I am passing 10 only. So instead of hard coding, if I don't know the value of department for the king, okay, directly that query will pass to the actual value. Okay, can I do that one or not? Normally we cannot get the value who in 10th department who are working, the details I cannot get that one directly. If you know the particular department, you can directly filter by applying the filter way in the where class, you can get the all the details. If you don't know the exact value where he king is working, okay, then what you have to do, just whatever result is there, right, this result set will be passed to the in the place of department number. Okay, simply you can apply the bracket here. Okay, so first what it will execute, first it will execute the subquery. Okay, this is called subquery, means query in query. Okay, this is called subquery or nested query, we can say anything. Okay, this is query, inside the query is there, that's why we can say subquery. Okay, this is subquery, this is parent query. This is main, this is main table, right? Main output we are getting from this one. Here it is the, it is there in where class, it is a subquery. Okay, in the part of some other okay, let it be whatever it may be. Okay, here we can get the department number of particular employee. Okay, that is king, for the king, what is the department number, that details I can get here. That result set will be passed to the department number in the where class. Okay, so I can get the result. Okay, in king's department whoever is working, those details I can able to get with this one by using subquery. Okay, you got my point, what is subquery? Okay, anyway, with directly we cannot get the values for the department number, in which department king is working, that department details we cannot get. To get that values and all, we have to use the additional query to get the department number. Okay, here you cannot pass employee number, e-name, everything. Okay, emp number, e-name, if you are querying everything here, it means you cannot compare, it cannot compare. Okay, see, you cannot get the values, you can get the multiple result here. Wait, emp number. Okay, emp number, e-name, whatever is there, the if you are fetching all the records means you cannot get the details from the parent query, because you are comparing only with the one column, but you are fetching three columns, we cannot compare like that, right? If you are using number means you should use the number here as well, okay, maybe you can apply, you can apply the this one emp number, this query will not give any errors, but it won't give any records, because emp number is different, department number is different. Department number you have to pass. Okay, you will first, you can fetch the records for you can first you can fetch the department number for the king, and that result will be passed to the your where class. Okay, so that you can get the result where king is working, in the department details we can get. Okay, you understood this one? I am having one more department. Okay, one more table, dpt table. Okay, in this one I am having four records. Okay, now anybody tell me who is working in Dallas, how I can get, how I can get the records for who is working in Dallas. Select the star from table name, department number. Okay, where LOC equal to Dallas. Okay. Yeah. So now you can get the department number for you can get all the details for Dallas. Okay. Now my requirement is I want to get the details for all the employee details. Whoever is working in Dallas, how I can get? Where employee details are there. Now onwards we'll start working. As of now, we are working on only single table, right? Now onwards we'll start working on multiple tables. Okay. Let's see. You can ignore join now this time. Okay. You can whatever you know as of now, whatever we discussed with that only we will go with that one. Okay. We are having multiple options that we can see. Okay. But as of now, what we discussed with that only we can start working on that one. I want the details. Whoever working in Dallas, those details I need. Okay. Yeah. LOC. Okay. LOC from table name is which one? Department number. Because I am having the details in department number. Okay. Department details. What are all the columns we are having in the employee table? Is there any common column uh, be- department number we are having, right, in both the tables EMP and DPT, so that if we are using this department number means that if we are query with the department number 20, okay, here for Dallas, look at this one, department number is what, 20. Okay, if we are querying the instead of okay, if we are querying the records for 20th department means our requirement will satisfy, right? Whoever working in Dallas, those records we can get if we are querying in the employee table for the department number 20. Yes, so we can use the subquery. Okay, first what we have to do, what we did here, how we can get the king department? Simply by selecting the one column, just enough that key department number. Okay, you can select the department number from EMP where that particular employee equal to value. Okay, so that you got the department number of the particular employee, and for that department number you got the all the details. Okay. Okay, same way we can apply here as well. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to get the department number because we are having the employee table only department number. Okay, yeah, first we can, yeah, yeah, first we should get the department number for from the department table and that particular by passing the particular location. So first we got the department number. Okay, if we pass the this result to above query, we can get the details. Okay, simply department number equal to this one. If we close this one means we can get the whoever working in the 20th department, all the details we can get, but department number we don't know. That's why we are specifically queried from outside. Okay, that is in subquery. Okay, in this manner we can get the result. This is called subquery. This is subquery, this is parent query. Again I'm repeating here how execution will happen na? First the execution sequence will be, first it will execute the subquery. Okay, once we got the result for the subquery, then it will it will pass to the parent query. Okay, after that parent query will execute and will give the result. This is the execution sequence in this one. So if we are while splitting the requirement, first you need to take care of first where classes. After that you need to think of main query. Okay, in that manner you can form the queries. Next, I want, let me ask one question again. I am having department details. I want whoever is working in New York and Chicago. I need all the details. How I can get? I am having employee table, employee details I am having. Okay. and I am having department details. Okay, in these two tables I am separately I am having employee details, separately I am having location details, location and department details. I want whoever working in New York and Chicago both. I need how I can do, how I can do that one. Select star from EMP where department number equal to, okay, in bracket, okay, select location, okay, department number, because we are comparing with the department number, so we should, yes, from table name, which table, which table I have to use, okay, from the, from department where location equal to, hmm, New York, New York, comma, Chicago I told, okay. Is it work? Yes. We cannot compare the multiple values with equality operator. Okay. So if you are comparing the multiple operators means you should use in operator we have to use. Okay. Now, is this query will work? Can anybody tell me? Okay. This will work. Okay. I will get the department numbers. Okay. Let me execute this one. See, I am getting error. Can anybody tell me this one? What is the error? Single query, single row subquery returns more than one row. What is that mean? What is this error? Single row subquery returns more than one row. Okay. Let me change this question in the main query itself. Okay, in subquery itself. Okay. See, if I write this one, which error I will get? This operator must be followed by any or all. Okay, or in. Okay. Now you can, I have given hint. Now you can tell me. Single row subquery returns more than one row. What is the problem? Here, how many records I am getting here? Actually, equal to operator, what it will do? Okay, in only. Okay, so now it will get executed. So what does means? See, if we are comparing the, if we are getting the multiple values from the subquery, then you should need, you should take care of the operator, it's operator also. Okay, if you are comparing equal to operator means you, it will compare with only one query or one value. Okay, if department number equal to 20 or 30 means only one value means it's fine. Okay, directly it will go and fetch. Already we have seen that one. Okay, yeah, I wanted a Dallas details means directly I can fetch the department number and I can do the comparison and we'll get the details of Dallas detail, employee details whoever working in Dallas. Okay, if you are getting multiple values from the subquery, okay, then you need to take care of that operators here. If you are using equality operator means you will get the this error. Okay, intentionally I told this error, you should clear that yourself. Okay, if you are getting this error single row subquery it has more than one row means you need to think of directly this one only. Okay, there might be, we are getting the multiple values from the subquery, we need to take care by using any, by using any operator. Okay, in or any, whatever it may be, any or all, whatever it may be, all the things will be same. Okay, any, I guess this is the syntax. Any syntax is different. Okay. Anybody tried in any invalid operator? In only working, but where any how I can pass? Anybody tried any operator and all operator? I told in operator section, operation class. I forgot the syntax. Okay, here operators are logical operator, and here any between is null, like okay, here I missed that one. Any and all. Okay, there are these are all special operators. Yeah, any is there already. Okay, I miss all only. Okay, so just go and check the syntax and try to use that one. Okay, any means just it will take only one value. That's it. Okay, if it is satisfying any of the one result set, it will give the result, but syntax I forgot. No need to think much in that one. Okay, let me ask one more question. Okay, I am having employee details and I am having department details. Okay, I want whoever is working in sales. Hello, hello, somebody. Yeah, somebody, I'm getting noise from Sai. Please go on mute. Yeah, okay. I am having department details and EMP details. Okay. I want the sum of salary for the sales department. How I can get it? I need sum of salary for the sales department. How much money I am spending on sales department? How I can do that one? I am not asking anything directly. How much I am spending amount on the sales department? Select sum of sale from EMP where dname equal to sale. Guys, I should get from everybody answers. Okay, select. Everybody should think. What I am asking, how much amount I am spending on sales department. What is that meaning? Can anybody tell me first before writing the query? How my question is this one. What you understood with this question? How much amount I am spending on sales department? Guys, Balu, Manohar, please be Sai, Shiva. Okay. Yeah, please come. Okay, 1 minute. Other persons, please tell me that one. What you understood with that question? How much amount I am spending on sales department? What you understood with this question? How much amount spending means if you are considering the sum of salary means that will be fine. That is equal to your that satisfy your requirement, right? Please don't be calm. Please respond. Okay. How much amount I am spending means if I am doing the sum of salary for the sales department means that will that will be equal to whatever I'm spending. Correct, right? If I'm spending only here, by using these two tables only, I can get this information only. Sum of salary I can do, so that one only I'm spending that one. Okay, simply what I'm doing, sum of salary for the department. Now how I can get the sales department? Select, see, sales department, not the designation, where I'm having the value sales. This is sales department, means it's a department name, sales. Okay, how I can get the sales department details? First, already you told, right? I want details. Whoever working in Dallas, means you told same thing. Okay, select department number from DEPT where location equal to Dallas. Now I want details for the department sales. How I can get? Hmm. Be D name equal to sales. That's it. Okay? Now we got the details of sales department. Now, how I can get the sum of salary for this department, this particular department? How you? Yeah, this you can add. You can use this result as a subquery for the above query. Okay. Here, which column I need to compare? What is the column to compare? I am having for the employee table and DPT table. Okay. Department number. Okay. Let's query. Okay. Why? What is getting? I am too many values. What does mean? In operator use. Okay, let me add in operator also. You'll see still I'm getting same error. Why? Earlier what we got? Error is what? Single row subquery returns multiple rows. Something like that, right? So for that we have used, you should understand the error. What error that is. Okay? Let me show this one. Equal to. Okay? See that error. Error is single row subquery returns more than one row. Okay, means our subquery getting more than one row, that meaning. Correct, right? Okay, now what error you are getting? Already I have explained this one. Again I am showing the error. That time I didn't show error, but I am showing the error. What is the mistake in this statement? Different name is what? D name is, see, I will query this subquery, I will get the details. There is no error in that one. If we have any issue in this one, we can see that one. But if I am executing this one, complete statement, I am getting the error. How I can get? What is the issue in this one? Okay, let me give a comparison. Okay, what is the comparison operator here? Comparison field, department number. But what you are selecting here, you are selecting three columns. You are selecting three columns, not the single value. Okay, so you should fit the single column. Okay, now you will get the single value here. Okay, let it be in or equal to, we are having only, since we are having only one value, it will work. Okay, if you are querying this one, means you will get the how much total salary in in the department 30, whatever is there, right? So that details you can get. Okay, next, this you understood, right? Anybody have any doubt in this one? Guys, I won't told much theory and all. Okay, I will show everything in the practical that you should understand. Okay, see, I am having employee details and I am having employee department details. I need how much amount I am spending on each department. How I can do? How much amount I am spending on each department? How I can get? Hmm. Guys, again you are blank. Why? If you are asking one question means one department means you told select sum of salary EMP where department number equal to that particular department by passing this one you given the answer. Now simply I am asking what I am I am expecting how much amount I am spending on each department. Okay, select first what you understood with that one. Can anybody tell me your query preparation plan? You can tell me first. Yes, that's what. Okay, I should you should do with the department number group by. That's it. Okay, how you can do? And now you can tell me the query. Sum of salary, uh, Java. Okay, from table. Okay, which table I have to use? Hmm? Okay, okay. What we need to use in this case? Hmm. Guys, nothing is there. Simple one point only. Nested query means only one point. Query inside the query. That's it. But how you will use is that I am asking questions. What you understood with that one? One point only. Theory wise, nothing is there. One more point. It is the parent query. This is the child query. Theory wise, nothing will be there inside this one. Okay. Rest of the things you should understand with practically how you can get the data. Why are okay? Yeah. First of all, can you tell me why we need to subquery here? Let me write my question. Okay, my requirement. I need how much I am spending on each department. Ah, okay. Yeah, tell me now. Tell me query, guys. This all whatever we discussed as of now, everybody is clear, right? Guys, say yes or no. As of now, what we discussed, everybody is clear or what? If you are not clear, I will explain one more time each and every query. Sai, sound Sande. Guys, at least you can ping me if you are able to understand or not. If not, I will explain one more time. Yeah, okay. Sure, thank you. Okay, let me complete this statement. Okay, for this one, not required any subquery also. Each department means we are having select star from emp means what we are having. We are having employee details, okay, department number. If we are doing the group wise means, if I am doing the group by department number means, I will after that, on top of that, if I get the sum of salary means, I can do same thing. Okay, each department wide only. Here I am not expecting the department name and all. I am expecting how much amount I am spending. Okay, simply you can specify the group by department number. Yesterday's topic only. Just for confusion purpose, I am asking you. Just I confuse it for you people. Okay, BPT number and sum of salary. That's it. Just you understood that requirement is this one only. I am spending how much amount I am spending on each department. For 30th department, 9,400. For 20th department, 11,075. 10th department, 8,750. That's it. Okay, in this one, nothing I am asking. Nowhere did I mention any each department names or everything I have mentioned anything in this one? No, right? I have not mentioned anything. Just I am expecting the total amount I am how much amount I am spending on each department. Okay, simply by grouping the department number you can get. Okay, let me come again to the subquery. Okay, here. Okay, here. What I asked here question is, let me write a requirement here. I need employee details, all employee details, all employee details in King's department. Okay, means in which department king is working, I need that department details, whoever working. Okay, I need all the details in king's department. Okay, means first what I have to do, if I use select star from emp where ename equal to king means you will get only king's details, but I need that department details, complete department details. Okay, means all the employees whoever working in his department, I need all the details. Means how you can do with normally with where normal where class, if you know the department number equal to 10, directly you can go and query that one. Okay, because his department number equal to king's department equal to 10. Okay, that's where you can get the 10th department. Okay, how you can get 10th department details, select star from emp where department number equal to 10 means 10th department total details you will get. You don't know the department number. Okay, how you will get department number? For that you need to write one more query. Okay, for getting the department number for the employee king. Okay, first you can get separately, and that result will be passed to the main query. This is called main query or parent query we can say. Okay, that department number we can pass to the filter. Okay, department number equal to this. If we are passing this query result to the where class, we can get the 10th department details. Okay, are you getting my point? Is there any confusion? Yeah, Ali, what I am asking here, what I am asking here is, I need king's department, whoever working in king's department, those details I need. So for that what you have to do, first you can identify the department for the king. Okay, that department number if you are passing to the where class, you can get the all the details of that department. Okay, are you clear? Okay, next, here what is the question here? I need whoever working in Dallas. Okay, actually here we don't have any location details or anything in the employee table. Okay, here we are having separate two tables. Okay, one is employee emp table, one is department table. but we are having one common column. Okay, department number and all. With that we can get the details of employee particular department. So if I pass the department number to the parent query, whoever working, what is the department number of Dallas, if I pass this one to the this query, we can get the whoever working in Dallas. Okay, simply just you can query for the department number for the Dallas, and that department number you can pass to the this where class. Okay, now you will get the who and all working in Dallas. That details you can get the result here. Okay, this you got right. You are clear or not with this one? Because this is very important, guys. You should understood clearly requirement and try to write the query. Just you can split first. Your requirement needs to split and try to write the query. Then only you can able to write exactly. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay, first you are thinking of employee details means you cannot think of this one. So first you can think of subquery. After that, you can think for the main query result. Okay, this one. Well, my query is I need I need the details of employees in both the cities, New York and Chicago. Whoever working in both the cities, I need those details. Okay, simply what you can do, you need to get the department number for the this location. Okay, actually we are getting two records with this one. We cannot normally equal to operator will work on single operator. So what you have to use, you should pass in operator in this case. If you are passing equal to operator means you will get error. Okay, what is that error? Single row subquery returns more than one row means we are getting more than one value. So if you are comparing the multiple values for the column is, you should use operator called in. Okay, in or any or all will work. Okay, so you can get the whoever working in New York and Chicago, both the cities, you will get the details. Okay, this one, how much amount you are spending on sales department? My question is, okay. Actually, EMB table doesn't contain the department name and all. Where you are having the department name, you are having the department name in department table. Okay, department table you are having the department name. So with that you can get the department number. If you know the department number, you can get the total amount. So my requirement is how much amount I am spending. How much amount I am spending means what? If I am giving salaries, okay. If I am counting that salaries and all means, simply I can say this one with these two tables. There may be some infrastructure things that and all you can ignore because we don't have the data in the our tables. Whatever we are having in these tables, with that we can go with that. Okay, so we are having only employee salaries. Okay, so for that you can do sum of salary for the department number. What is the department number? That is sales department. How you can get? You can get the sales department number from the subquery that you can pass to the main query. If you are doing the sum of salary for that, directly you can get the total amount, how much you are spending on sales department. Okay, like that you need to think and you can understand the requirement. Next next my question is what is the how much amount I am spending on each department. Here I am not specifying any department name. I am specifying on each department. So simply by making the group by on the department number, you will get the sum of salary. Okay, that details we can get this one with the normal query. Okay, normal group by we can get the this requirement. Anybody have any doubt in as of now? If you have, I will explain one more time. No need, don't worry. But you should understand. Okay, yeah, okay. Can you tell me that one? Okay, select distinct Department number. Okay. Hmm. Sum of salary from EMP. Is it work? Say, not a group by function means what? You are getting error. Not a single group function. Okay. Group. Okay. Group by department number. Okay. Let me execute. It will work. Okay, with here also we are doing same. Okay, no matter you are using distinct or not. Okay, distinct not required. Actually distinct will work on your result. Okay, if you are having same one more row here means it will get, but if you are doing the group by means directly it will fetch the unique values for the given key. Unique key means here whatever you are using the group by, Be- this whatever you have mentioned the columns, that it will make automatically distinct unique values only it will pick. It will do the group and it will calculate the sum of salary. Okay. Okay, distinct not required here. I will explain distinct. Actually, as of now, I have not discussed. Okay, because we are not working with as of now with the duplicate data and all. Okay, that we'll discuss once we got the duplicate data and all. Then we can discuss. Okay. As of now, everybody is clear, right? Say yes or no. I should get everybody all the times yes. If you are telling yes, then only I can move. Otherwise, I won't move. I will assume if you are not responding means you are not understood. Okay. Next, I am having employee data. I need total total number of employees. Okay. Let me write the query. I need total number of employees. Okay. Whoever join in 1981, 82. Okay, 1981 and 82, 1982, and they should work in let me write this. Okay, Dallas only, Dallas and Chicago. Here instead of New York, Dallas I want. How I can write that one? Okay, you understood first requirement. Okay, I need total number of employees who ever joined in 1981 and 82, and the location is Dallas and Chicago. Whoever joined in Dallas and Chicago in 1981 and 82, I need the count. Okay. Okay. Let's ignore number of employees. Now just you can do for the details. We'll see after that one. Okay. Details. Whoever joined in 1981. Okay. Simply you can write whoever joined in Dallas and Chicago in 1981 and 82. Okay. Just now you can understand. You can clearly tell me that one. Everybody understood this question, right? Okay. Yeah, Balu and Vinith, please behold your thoughts. Can anybody tell me other than Balu and Vinith? Balamanohar and Vinith. Okay, can anybody tell me? First of all, how I can get the details of Dallas and Chicago? Ali, guys, I am not specifying specifically. Just you can ignore. Okay, please don't mind it and all. If I am calling the names and all, my expectation should be everybody should understand. Okay, anybody tell me what you understood with this question? Okay, first you can split the requirement. How I can get the details for Dallas and Chicago? First, you can tell me that one. Hmm? Just tell me where I am having the details of Dallas and Chicago department number, department table, right? Select star from DPT means I am having the department details. Here, the location is Dallas and Chicago. Okay, means I can get the details of these two locations in the department. So, how we can filter that one separately? Say yes or no. I'm not here. How you got that one? How you got the department number for the New York and Chicago? Yes. Okay. Select star from department table where location, uh, location where location in. We need to use. We are passing multiple values here. Okay. Okay. We should pass in operate Dallas and Chicago. Okay. Whatever it may, that you can pass. So now you will get the whoever working in Dallas and Chicago, that department details you got. But I need employee details. Okay, I need employee details. Whoever working in Dallas and Chicago, whoever joined in. Okay, joined means they are working in Dallas and Chicago. Okay, so where we are having the data, employee data, we are having in EMP table. Okay, now you are having what? You are having the details. What is the common column for that? Department number. So instead of fetching all the records, you can fetch only department number. Okay, that is you can get the all the details. Okay, now you are in the DPT table. What are all the columns we are having? Department number, D name, and location. Okay, we are having location, so we can filter the data for specific locations directly. Okay, now you got the department number separately. Okay, so if I am passing this department numbers to the main query, I can get the data, right? I can get or not? Okay, where department number equal to this one. Okay, this you should, if you are passing the values in subquery means you should specify the bracket. Okay, now it is giving error, single row subquery returns. What is the problem? Why we are getting this error? Yes, we are getting the values, multiple values in the from the subquery. Okay, two locations we are selecting. Okay, that means we should use the in operator instead of one equal to. If you are using equal to operators means you can compare only with one value. If you are comparing in operator or any or all operators means you can get multiple value. You can compare multiple values. Okay, simply you can get the whoever working in Dallas and Chicago. And next requirement is what? They should join in 1981 and 82. Still, my question is not completed. As of now, whoever working in Dallas and Chicago only you got as of now. Okay. Now my requirement is what? They should join in 1981 and 82. How I can do? Now extract and yeah, why we need to use means this is one condition. Okay, they are working in this location and they should join in means again we need add one more condition. Okay, okay. So here we need to use and condition extract okay year from higher date. Okay, so what you will get the year that again what I have to use in operator only, right? 1981 and 1982. Okay, means you will get the details. Whoever joined in 1981 and 82. Okay, nobody is joined in 82. That's why we are not getting. Okay, but people are there in 1981. That's why we can able to get the data specifically in 1981. If we are specifying only these two locations without the joining date means you will get more number of records. Okay, you are getting 11 records right here. If I add this condition means you will get it restricted to 8 records. Anybody have any doubt in this question? Guys, anybody have any doubts in this one? Oh, yeah, tell me. See, whatever you are passing in the where class, okay, first whatever you have written, that is called parent query or main query, whatever it may be. Okay. Next, whatever query you are writing inside the where class or inside the group by or inside the having, whatever it may be, right? Okay. This you can say subquery. Okay. First, execution wise, subquery will execute first. After that, main query will get execute next. Okay. First, it will check the this one. First, it will go to what I told as of now. Execution sequence should be first it will go to from class. Okay, it will go for this one. Next, it will go to where class. Okay, next it will goes to have group by class. Next, it will go to having class. After that, it will go to select class. In last, it will go to order by class. Okay, here come to this requirement. First, it will go to from class, that is same. Next, it will go to where class. Where class, what is there? Subquery is there. Okay, so first it will get execute subquery. Okay, next again I am having one more condition. Again it will check that one. Okay, after that, on top of that, if we are having any group by, it will go to group by. If we are having any having, it will go to having class. Next, after that, we are having any order by once having class completes, if we are having, it will go. Otherwise, it will go to select class. Okay, after that, in last, it will go to order by class. This is the execution sequence. Okay, are you clear? What is the subquery? What is the parent query? What is the execution sequence? I told everything. Okay, next, I am having employee data and department data. Guys, only one topic only I will select for today. Okay, everything will be practical. Okay, I am having employee data and I am having department data. Okay, I want whoever working in uh, accounting and sales department. Okay, whoever working in accounting department and sales department, I need sum of the total salary. Okay, here total salary means salary plus commission. How I can get? Have you understood my requirement? I need whoever working. I need total salaries for the what I told data accounting and sales. How we can get? Hmm, guys, you should understood what you understood with this question. Nothing I am asking. I need total salaries for the employees. Okay, whoever working in accounting and sales. Am I audible? Hello? Last network or what? Hello? Somebody should respond. Hello? Am I audible?